Need to replace your Chase debit card? The Chase mobile app makes the entire process quick and convenient. Whether your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you can order a replacement in just a few taps. First, open your Chase mobile app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to either Account Services or Manage Cards section. This is where you'll find all your card management options. Next, you'll select the specific debit card that needs to be replaced. The app will then ask you to specify the reason for replacement. You can choose from lost, stolen, damaged, or preventive replacement options. This helps Chase process your request appropriately. Now you'll choose your delivery option. Standard delivery takes 5 to 7 business days and is completely free. If you need your card faster, Expedited delivery gets it to you in 1 to 2 business days for a $15 fee. For urgent situations, same-day delivery is available in select metropolitan areas for $25 to $50. Choosing expedited delivery gives you additional benefits, including real-time tracking updates via SMS and email notifications, so you'll know exactly when to expect your new card. One of the best features is that you often get immediate virtual card details for online purchases while you wait for your physical card to arrive. You can also add these details to your digital wallets right away for contactless payments. For expedited deliveries, you'll receive real-time tracking with SMS and email notifications, order status updates, and delivery confirmation, so you're always informed about your replacement card's progress. The Chase mobile app makes replacing your debit card simple and convenient. With multiple delivery options, instant virtual access, and comprehensive tracking, you'll have your new card and continued access to your funds with minimal disruption. Chase offers multiple expedited delivery options to get your replacement debit card quickly when you need it most. The standard expedited option is next business day delivery, available in most locations for a $15 fee. This gets your new card to you within 1 to 2 business days. For urgent situations, same-day delivery is available in major metropolitan areas. This premium service typically costs between $25 to $50 depending on your location. Keep in mind that delivery times can vary depending on whether you order on a business day or weekend. Orders placed on weekends may not begin processing until the next business day. Once you place your replacement card order, Chase provides comprehensive real-time tracking, so you always know exactly where your card is in the delivery process. The tracking system follows your card through 4 main stages: order confirmation, when you first request the replacement; processing while Chase prepares your new card; shipped when it leaves the facility; and out for delivery on the final day. You'll receive detailed tracking information similar to this order confirmation, showing your card's current status and expected delivery timeframe. Chase keeps you informed every step of the way with automatic notifications sent via both SMS text messages and email alerts. For expedited deliveries, you may even receive GPS tracking, so you can see exactly where your delivery driver is and get precise arrival times. Chase takes security seriously throughout the entire card replacement process. All transactions in the mobile app use end-to-end encryption to protect your personal information. Additionally, Chase requires multi-factor authentication for all card replacement orders. This means you'll need to verify your identity using multiple methods beyond just your password. Finally, as soon as you activate your new replacement card, Chase automatically deactivates your old card for security. This seamless transition ensures there's no gap in protection and prevents any unauthorized use of your previous card.